Hey tea lovers, welcome back to another episode of Tea of the Week. This week we're looking at Organic Relief Stress Tea. This blend has a floral and soothing flavor and is designed to help relieve mental and physical stress along with providing a natural sleep aid. Let's talk about the 5 ingredients that go into this blend that make it work like it does. The first ingredient is a South African herb called rooibos. Rooibos is caffeine-free and has been shown to aid in relaxation. Second is organic passion flower. Passion flower can help reduce anxiety and lower blood pressure, along with helping to improve sleep and reduce inflammation. This is lemon balm, which is a member of the mint family. It can be used to provide relief from insomnia and anxiety and works as a natural sleep aid. Second to last is organic holy basil. Holy basil can help to reduce physical and psychological stress, along with providing relief from headaches. Finally, we have organic lavender. Lavender has a soothing aroma that can help calm anxiety. Drinking tea with lavender can also help lower stress hormones in the body, and it's going to be a big focus in the recipe we use this week. For our recipe this week, let's make a delicious tea latte with a lavender cream topping. To start this recipe, I'm going to brew 3 teaspoons of my Organic Relief Stress Tea with 6 ounces of nearly boiling temperature water and set that aside for 5 to 7 minutes. Next, I'm going to take my 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, add about 2 teaspoons of lavender syrup. I used the Monin lavender syrup for this, and I'm going to whisk until I achieve soft peaks. If you want to add a little bit of color to this drink, which I thought was super fun, I added a little bit of purple food coloring for this, but it's totally optional. Once you have all of your 3 ingredients prepared, we can make our tea latte. I'm going to start by filling my mug about 2/3 of the way full with Organic Relief Stress Tea, and then adding about a 1/2 cup of frothed oat milk, and then finishing with swirling my lavender cream on top. That's it for Tea of the Week this week. There's lots of links in our description below so you can find the tea, the recipe, and what else we've got going on fullleafteacompany.com. Hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!